Hi everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the FIFA 18 crashing on startup problem. So if you are facing the crashing on startup issue in FIFA 18 on Windows 10 and 11 PC, I will tell you how to fix it. I will show you all the steps, you have to follow them, and by the end of the video you will be able to fix it. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's watch it.